Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I am going to show you how you can make real money by simply buying items from your local shops and reselling them on Facebook Marketplace. If you're looking for a side hustle or even a full-time gig, this strategy might be perfect for you. Let's jump right in. Here's how it works. 1. Visit local shops, clearance sales, or even secondhand stores in your area. 2. Find items that are undervalued, things like electronics, small appliances, furniture, fashion, or even home. 3. Buy them at a low price. 4. List them on Facebook Marketplace at a higher price. This is called retail arbitrage, and it's a proven way to make profits using items that are already around you. Next, let's talk about what exactly you should be looking for when you're outsourcing your items. Keep these in mind. High-demand products, phones, laptops, home gadgets, kids' toys, workout gear. These are items that many people want, and you can find them at various local stores. Unique items, things that aren't easily found online or in regular stores. These could be vintage finds, handmade items, or even rare collectibles. People often turn to Facebook Marketplace for those hard-to-find treasures. Small but valuable items. It's much easier to ship or deliver a small gadget or accessory rather than large furniture. So consider the size and weight of the product when you're making your selections. And always check Facebook Marketplace before you buy anything. This will help you gauge interest in that product and see what other people are selling it for. You'll quickly learn which items are trending and have the potential to sell fast. Now that you know what to look for, let's walk through how to actually sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's super simple, but here are a few tips to help you stand out from the crowd. Take clear photos with good lighting. More than one photo, please, so buyers can see the item from different angles. Write a short but catchy description. Include details like the brand, the condition, and why it's a great deal. Mention any unique features and use keywords that will catch the attention of potential buyers. Some examples: brand new, heavily discounted, limited stock, get it before it's gone. Be responsive. Reply to messages promptly and courteously. Remember, a positive attitude goes a long way in building trust with potential buyers. And here's an extra bonus tip: offer delivery in your area for an additional fee. Many people love the convenience of delivery, so you might attract more buyers if you include this option. Plus, it's an easy way to stand out from the competition. Just make sure you factor in the cost of delivery when pricing your items so you don't eat into your profit margins. If this is your first time selling, you might not make a lot of profit. Maybe only $10, $20, or $50 per item. But after some trial and error, you'll figure out what sells best in your area and how much you can actually sell it for. That's how you scale up your business. Reinvest your profits into buying more stock. Build relationships with local shop owners so they give you early access to discounts. They might even put some items aside for you. Keep your prices competitive. Undercut the big retailers, but still make a profit for yourself. And remember, safety always comes first. Meet buyers in safe public places, and if you accept online payments, use trusted methods only. Buying from local shops and selling on Facebook Marketplace is one of the easiest side hustles that just about anyone can start. All it takes is a phone, a little effort, and consistency. What would you start selling first? Electronics, clothes, or furniture? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and share this with a friend who needs a side hustle. See you in the next one.